Good morning, it's Tuesday, August the 25th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases and halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Got another great show lined up for you this morning. I've got two from the Canadian side, two from the US side, and I've got two halts to report on in the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Greystar Resources. They trade on the TSX under the symbol GSL. They also trade on the AIM for our European friends, also under the symbol GSL. The company is announcing exploratory drilling 3 kilometers south of its multi-million ounce gold-silver resource in northeastern Colombia. They're intersecting near-surface gold-bearing oxide mineralization. So I've got some highlights from the company, which include hole number 13 returned 31 meters, grading 0.96 grams per ton of gold, and that's starting from surface, so that's always a good sign. And hole number 10, which returned 13 meters, grading half a gram per ton of gold, and that's starting at 22 meters. So it looks like it's relatively shallow, which is also great news. Potential for an open pit mine if they ever get to that point. Greystar Resources is a Canadian mine dedicated to the exploration, development, and exploitation of precious metal resources. They're last at $4. High of $5, low of 55 cents, and a market cap of approximately $211 million. Moving on to our next company, Rusoro Mining trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol RML. The company is announcing financial results for the 3 months ended June 30th, 2009. That's their second quarter. Highlights include they've got record production of 48,532 ounces of gold, so good for the company. It looks like they're a junior gold producer. They've got a cash cost per ounce of gold at a record low for the company of $322 per ounce. So those are some pretty good numbers, very low cost production. What else do we have here? The company ended the quarter with $58.7 million in cash equivalents, and short-term investments. So the company is obviously well cashed up. A little bit about the company. They're a junior gold producer with large land position in southern Venezuela. They're last at 42 cents, high of 94 cents, low of 23.5, and a market cap of approximately $200 million. Now, moving on to the U.S. side, Pioneer Behavioral Health trades on the New York Stock Exchange AMEX under the symbol PHC. The company was recently awarded a contract by Salt Lake City Veterans Administration Medical Center to provide behavioral health services. The initial term of the contract is 9 months with 6 months renewal periods, and it's a guaranteed minimum of $1.25 million under the initial term. And revenue for each of the 6-month contracts extensions would be approximately $800,000. A little bit about the company. They're a national healthcare company providing behavioral health services in 5 states. They're last at $1.50. High of, the high I don't have here, low of 42 cents, and a market cap of approximately $30 million. Moving on to our next company. NF Energy Saving Corporation trades on the bulletin board under the symbol NFES. What we've got here is that they were awarded a contract to supply 28 sets of fluid control butterfly valves, and the total contract value is approximately $680,000, and the expected delivery date is March 2010. A little bit about the company. They're a China-based provider of integrated energy conservation solutions. Last at $1.64, high of $1.85, low of 4 cents, and a market cap of approximately $65 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've got Copper Mesa Mining Corporation, trades on the TSX under the symbol CUX. They've been halted. Don't see any reason here why. And also, I've got China Zirconium Limited, trades on the TSX under the symbol CZL. They've been halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.